Formation of oceans and continents. Continental drift theory. Alfred Wegener. Continents were once part of Pangaea, सराउंडेड बाई पैंथेलासा। पेंजिया जो स्प्लिट हुआ लोरेशिया और गोंडवाना लैंड में, लोरेशिया नॉर्थ में, गोंडवाना लैंड साउथ में। These land mass later drifted to form present continent. फोर्स जो है सजेस्टेड बाई बिगनर, पोल फ्लीइंग फोर्स, सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स ड्यू टू अर्थ रोटेशन, टाइडल फोर्स, pull of moon and sun causing slight continental movement, evidence for drift, jigsaw फिट, जो अफ्रीका एंड साउथ अमेरिका कोस्ट लाइन मैच, जियोलॉजिकल सिमिलरिटीज सेम एज रॉक इन ब्राज़ील एंड वेस्ट अफ्रीका, टिलाइट डिपॉजिट मैच अक्रॉस इंडिया, अफ्रीका, मडागास्कर, अंटार्कटिका, फॉसाइल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, सिमिलर फॉसाइल लेमर्ड type of species in India, Madagascar, Africa, placer deposit, gold deposit in Ghana, match gold bearing rock of Brazilian plateau, convection current theory, अर्थुर होल्मस 1930 में, radioactive decay in metal produce heat, hot metal material becomes lighter एंड राइज कर जाता है, आफ्टर कूलिंग इट बिकम्स हेवी एंड सिंक कर जाता है। दिस कंटिन्यू सर्कुलेशन क्रिएट कन्वेक्शन करेंट, दिस करेंट ड्रैग लिथोस्फेरिक प्लेट कॉजिंग देयर मूवमेंट, सी फ्लोर स्प्रेडिंग हेरी हैस, न्यू ओशियनिक क्रस्ट फॉर्म एट मिड ओशियनिक रिज वेयर magma rise and cools, मिड ओशियनिक राइज में न्यू ओशियनिक क्रस्ट फॉर्म करता है जहाँ पे magma राइज और कूल होता है। दिस न्यू क्रस्ट pushes older crust away, widening the ocean floor. Old crust sink into mantle at deep sea trench and get destroyed. This continuous creation and destruction keep Earth size constant. Tectonic plates are large and rigid slabs of rock. Rock forming Earth lithosphere, continental and oceanic crust. These plates float over the semi-fluid asthenosphere. Major plate: North America plate, South America, Eurasian plate, African, Pacific, Indian, Australian और Antarctic. Minor: Cocos plate, Nazca, Arabian, Philippines plate. Type of plate boundaries: divergent boundary, new crust form as plate drift apart. Mid-Atlantic ridge, North America, Eurasian plate. Convergent boundary, one plate submerged under another at subduction zone. Happen in 3 bays. Ocean land arc form, Aleutian Island, oceanic continent. Denser oceanic plate subduct, formation of mountain Andes. Continental collision form, fold mountain Himalaya. Transform boundary, plate slide horizontally, crust is neither created nor destroyed. San Andrew Fault, California. Plate boundary, divergent plate, convergent plate, transform, oceanic ridge, oceanic trench, transform fault. Movement of Indian plate. India has once an island near Australia, separated from Asia by Tethys Sea. It began moving northward about 200 million years ago. During this journey, massive lava flows formed the Deccan Traps, collided with the Eurasian plate 40 to 50 million years ago, uplifting the Himalaya. Collision continues today, causing frequent earthquakes and further Himalayan uplift. Geomorphic process: endogenic force, land building force, originate inside the earth driven by internal heat. Diastrophism, show movement, causing deformation of the earth crust. Include orogenic process, mountain building, build mountain through folding caused by horizontal forces. Divergent force create crack, convergent force cause folding and uplift. Epeirogenic process, fast movement like earthquake, volcano, landslide, uplift or sinking of large land masses. Sudden endogenic, वर्टिकल मूवमेंट ऑफ क्रस्ट के कारण होता है. एक्सोजेनिक, लैंड बेयरिंग फोर्स. वेदरिंग, ब्रेक डाउन जो होता है रॉक इन सिटू बाई मैकेनिकल, केमिकल, बायोलॉजिकल एक्शन से. कंट्रोल्ड बाई रॉक टाइप, क्लाइमेट, वेजिटेशन, टोपोग्राफी. मास वेस्टिंग, डाउन स्लोप मूवमेंट, weathered material due to gravity, mass wasting. Erosion, removal, transport of rock debris by agent, running water, glacier, wind, wave, groundwater. Deposition, eroded material को laying down. Coarser material deposit first, agent, water, glacier, find, wind or wave, groundwater. Landform and their evolution, running water, fluvial landforms. Erosional landforms, valley formed from rills, gully, valley. V-shaped valley youth stage में है. Strong vertical erosion. Gorge, very steep, narrow, same width at top and bottom, formed in hard rock. Canyons, step like side, wider at top, formed in horizontal. Sedimentary rock, common in dry region. Pat holes and plunge pools. Pat holes, circular holes on river bed formed by the swirling pebbles grinding the rock. Plunge pool, deep pit at the base of waterfalls due to a strong downward erosion. Incised meander form in hard rock when a meandering river cut down vertically. River terrace, old flood plain, surface left above the present river level due to renewed vertical erosion. Paired terrace, same height on both bank. Unpaired terrace, unequal on only on one bank, common in area of uneven uplift. Rapid, fast turbulent flow where river slope increase suddenly, common in mountainous terrain. Depositional landform by running water. Alluvial fan shaped deposit at foothills where river lose velocity. Delta, triangular deposit at river mouth entering sea. Sediment are well assorted and clearly stratified due to low flow speed. Flood plains created when river deposit materials on gentle slope. Natural levees, low ridge along river bank formed during flood by coarse deposit. Meander, loop like bend on large floodplain formed due to a low gradient alluvial deposit and Coriolis force, a channel pattern, not a landform. Point bar, meander bar, sediment on the inner convex side meander. Oxbow lake, crescent shaped lake formed when the meander loop are cut off due to deposition at the neck. Braided channel, multiple shallow channel created due to high sediment load and low discharge. Groundwater landform, groundwater eroded and deposit mainly in the limestone calcium carbonate area, creates karst topography through solution and deposition. Groundwater erosional landform, shallow hole dispersion है, formed by solution of on limestone surface. Sinkhole, circular depression है, solution formed by the solution and collapse of cave roof. Valley or sink or ubalage, large depression formed by merging of many sinkhole. Lapis, grooved ridge limestone surface created by the differential solution. Cave, caverns, underground hollow space formed when limestone dissolve along joint, sometimes open at both internal corners. Vertical masses link shallow होल्स टू केव। बस नाम याद रखना चाहिए, बहुत है। नेचुरल ब्रीजेज, डिपोजिशनल लैंडवर्क फॉर्म में स्टेलेसाइट हैंग फ्रॉम केविंग सीलिंग, stalagmite rise from cave floor under the stalactite, pillar formed when the stalactite or stalagmite join, drip stone, calcite deposit formed by dripping water in cave, drap curtains, thin hanging deposit, water trickling along ceiling, helictites, heligmite, side growing drip stone, globular form called globulites, flowstone, sheet-like deposit, glacier erosional, cirque or cori, a bowl shape, steep wall depression formed at head of a glacier, tarn, a small lake formed inside a cirque, arid, a sharp ridge created when two cirques eroded back to back, horn, pyramidal peak, a steep pointed peak formed where three or more cirques meet, berggrund, a deep crack is separating the moving glacier from stationary snowfield above, V-shaped valley trough, ribbon, Finger Lake, hanging valley, fjord, drowned U-shaped valley filled with seawater, Rauchi mountainy, depositional landform, glacial till outwards deposit, terminal moraine, lateral moraine, ground moraine, medial moraine, Iskar outwards drumline, Kettle Lake, coastal landform, erosional landform, Cape Bays, wave cut cliff, wave cut traces, cave, arches, stack, stump, wave cut platform, coastal depositional, beaches, sand dunes, beaches deposit of sand and pebbles along shoreline, sand dune, wind blown sand deposit forming ridge behind beaches, offshore bar, submerged sand and single ridge wall to coast, barrier bar, an offshore bar raised above sea level due to sediment buildup, spit, narrow stretch of land projecting from coast due to long shore drift, tombolo, sand deposit connecting an island to the mainland, lagoon, shallow water body enclosed by the spit or barrier bar, estuary, semi-enclosed coastal water body where river water mixes with seawater, mud flat, salt marshes, desert, erosional land for pediments, gently sloping rock surface formed at mountain bases by erosion, paddy plains, broad flat plains formed by the merging of many pediments, geogen, yardungs, playas, mesas, buttes, Inselberg, depletion, hollow, mushroom rock, table rock, pedestal rock, badland, desert depositional landform, sand dune, barchans, parabolic dunes, safe dune, longitudinal dunes and transverse dune और बजाडास। 6 चैप्टर है कॉम्पोजिशन एंड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर। मिक्सचर ऑफ गैसेज एंड वाटर वेपर एंड डस्ट एटमॉस्फेयर 99% of its mass is within 32 km from Earth's surface. Composition: permanent gases nitrogen, oxygen, argon. Variable gases water vapor. Most abundant greenhouse gas decrease with altitude from equator to pole. Carbon dioxide 0.04 allows sunlight in but traps long wave radiation. Ozone found in stratosphere absorb UV rays. Other gases hydrogen, helium, neon, xenon, krypton, methane. Layer of the atmosphere एक्सोस्फीयर, थर्मोस्फीयर, मेसोस्फीयर, स्ट्रेटोट्रोपोस्फीयर। ट्रोपोस्फीयर लोएस्ट लेयर हाइट 13 किलोमीटर, 8 किलोमीटर एट पोल, 18 किलोमीटर at equator. All weather and biological activity occur here. Temperature decrease is 1 degree Celsius per exopacet meter. Stratosphere extended up to 50. Contain ozone layer. Temperature increases with height. Ideal for aircraft due to low water vapor and cloud. Influenced by subtropical and polar jet stream. Mesosphere extended up to 80 kilometer. Temperature decreases with height. Upper limit mesopause. Meteors burn here. Greenhouse gases absent. Ionosphere 80 से 400 किलोमीटर contains electrically charged particle, reflects radio wave. Thermosphere 90 से 500 से 1000. Exosphere uppermost layer merge into spaces. Solar radiation, heat balance and temperature. Solar radiation energy emitted by sun due to nuclear fusion. Insolation incoming solar radiation received at the Earth's surface, mostly in short wavelength. Factor affecting insolation: Earth's rotation cause day and night. Pole may have continuous daylight or darkness. Earth-Sun distance: aphelion farthest from Sun 4 July, perihelion nearest to Sun 3 January, slightly higher insolation. Earth's axis tilted 66.5. Tilt affect insolation at different latitude. Latitude: higher latitude, lower sun angle, less energy per unit area. Atmospheric transparency: cloud, dust or pollutants reduce insolation. Albedo: surface reflectivity affects absorbed energy. Land configuration: south-facing slope in northern hemisphere receive more sunlight. Reverse from southern hemisphere. Heating and cooling of atmosphere. Conduction: heat transfer through molecular contact. Heat lowered atmosphere. Convection: vertical transfer of heat via rising warm air, mainly in troposphere. Advection: horizontal transfer of heat by moving air, affect weather pattern and tropical winds. Terrestrial radiation: Earth absorbs short-wave radiation, emit long-wave infrared, heating the atmosphere. Heat budget of the Earth: Earth maintain a constant temperature as incoming solar radiation insolation outgoing terrestrial radiation. Temperature: measurement of how hot or cold place or object is. Isotherm line connecting place with equal temperature. Northern hemisphere irregular and closely spaced due to more land. Southern hemisphere regular and widely spaced due to more ocean. Factor controlling temperature: latitude: high latitude, less insolation, temperature low. Altitude: high altitude, low temperature, air thinner, heated from surface. Distance from sea: coastal area have moderate temperature due to land and sea breezes. Air mass circulation and ocean current: warm air masses current increase temperature. Cold air masses or current decreases temperature. Prevailing winds: temperature depends on wind origin and speed. Slope aspect: sun facing slope are warmer or shaded slope cooler. Day night: Earth rotation cause daily temperature variation. Urban heat island effect: human activity increase urban temperature. Temperature inversion: cold air stay near surface, warm air lies above, reversing the normal temperature pattern. Ideal condition: long winter night, clear sky, calm air, dry surface air, common in polar region. Effect: stable lower air pollutants get trapped, causing dense fog in hill. Cold air drain into valley and night and protect plant from frost. Type of temperature inversion: surface inversion, formed near the ground by cooling through conduction, common in higher latitude and during cold night. Valley inversion, cold air drains down mountain slope and collect in valley. Warm air stay away. Frontal inversion, found when the cold air mass slide below a warm air mass, short-lived and disappear with the weather change. Atmospheric circulation and weather system.